side beach of Liloan. Liloan Bridge. We're halfway from Liloan Beach to the Liloan Beach. As you can see, it's pretty much quiet here. So if you can really spend your time alone, quiet, and with tranquility, then it's one of the best beaches. Fortunately, I was wounded, but it's okay. It's part of the trek. And my partner here, Dandy, his sandal got.
And look at my.
Yeah, look at the sandals. It's this what you call that mismatch, and then what's worse is it got disattached. So, but well, we're enjoying the view here. Yep.
You see the rock over there? It's really nice. So I want Mike to go there and let's just take a picture. Just go there on top of the rock, and then we'll take a picture. Whoa, the sand is very fine, huh?
Fine.
Very fine.
And like footprints.
Yeah, me too. I would like to set my footprints here. Okay, so this is the rock. It's really nice here.